Good afternoon. Time for a quick tech tip. Is this how your experience is when you try to work on your Dodge? Custom broomstick hood prop? You're not alone. Today we're going to fix that. How, you may ask? With new gas shocks. We're going to replace these. This has to be the noisiest alley every time I turn on the record button. Anyway, yeah, these go bad over time. And we're going to swap them out for some new ones. These are only like $20 on Amazon. Unbranded. They'll probably explode in my face. Who knows? But we're going to swap these out and I'm going to show you how. Okay, so to replace these gas shocks, which will also get rid of your favorite broomstick, all you need is a small screwdriver. And I'll try and get this view correct. There's a little tab right here, and I'll take this off and show it a little better. You want to get in that little tab right there, and then pry that out just like that, and kind of work it out. You're gonna do the same thing up here. You can see this one's already going, and then you're just gonna use a little bit of persuasion. And you're going to want to hold your hood or have somebody hold your hood or have a prop in place because it may collapse a little bit when you do this. Now that you got your clip popped out of the way and you have your hood braced, give it a little tap. Just like that. And your hood may fall. The other one I've already replaced, so on this time it's not going to. I'm going to make sure this clip is loose, like so. This one doesn't want to, might give you a little fight. You got to get it all the way out like that. There you go. Look at that. This is the old junk one. I'm going to catalog that, just like that. And this is the new one. Okay, so that you can see these clips are in place, so they're going to hold right on. These little balls here fit down in here and expand the clip, and then the clip just kind of captures it. You want to set them up the same way with the reservoir at the top or the reservoir at the bottom, however your particular car is. And you're going to pop that on there and then give it a little love tap, just a little bit, like so. And then this part might be a little tricky. You might have to or try to compress anyway, or lift the whole hood. Either way, as you can see, a little tricky there. And then just force it on, and then you can see that clip's retained in place. That clip's retained in place. It's not going anywhere. And now when you lift your hood, just like this, you'll be set. Like I said, I think these are about $20. They might even be less. They might have been $15 on Amazon. So I'll put a link in the description. But don't pay a ton of money out for them. The Chinese ones are just as good as the OEMs. And honestly, I'm sure the OEMs are like $100. So don't even bother. Alright, that's it for this quick one.